A lot of profit can be earned by using the Donchian channel and CCI indicator in the right way. Many traders use it in the wrong way, and lose their capital. So, along with new traders, those who have trading experience should also watch the video carefully, because today we will try to understand it in detail, so that you do not have to watch another video of these indicators. In this today we will tell you some techniques which will greatly increase the winning ratio of today's strategy. So first of all we will see the settings, and then we will know the correct way to use it. So the strategy settings are very simple. So first of all add two indicators from the indicators settings, like Donchian channel, and CCI indicator. Now let's look at the Donchian channel settings. So set the period settings to 20. And here I have also changed the color settings. So now let us see the settings of the CCI indicator. So in this also set the period setting to 20. And here also I have changed the color settings. So now we will see the timing settings. So set the candle timing to 30 seconds here. And 1 minute timing is best for placing a trade. So now all our settings have been set here. Now we will learn how we can earn profit by using this strategy in the right way. So there is no need to do much analysis in this trade. When the market came near the Donchian channel, it is going down by forming a big candle, and it has also broken this previous support, so there is a high possibility of the market going down. That is why the trade has been placed in the downward direction. If you want to earn profit with us, then you should join our Telegram channel right now. Here many traders are earning profit by spending just 1 hour from Monday to Friday. You can also join right now. You will find the link in the description. So here our first entry has won. So now this is a good entry. So when the market touches the upper line of the Donchian channel or comes close to it, and along with that if the moving average line of CCI comes on this 100 line, then you can place a trade in the downward direction. Here the CCI line is slightly below the 100 line. If it is 100 or above then it is considered better. But here the market is moving in a downtrend, so the chances of going down are high. And here our entry has won. So now here the moving average line of CCI had gone below -100, it has come almost near the -300 line, and now it has turned in the upward direction, and above in the Donchian channel, the market has started going up by touching the lower line and forming a green candle, so the market can go up to the middle line and come down again, because here also the downtrend is going on. And here our entry has won. So we will wait for the right entry point here. So here the MA line in the CCI indicator has come on the line of 100, and here also the market is moving in a downtrend, but this time the market has touched the upper line of the Donchian channel, and was going down by forming a red candle. At the same time, I placed an entry in the downward direction. And here too the indicator has given us the correct prediction. Our entry has won easily. So you can see here, the market has touched the upper channel of the Donchian channel, and at the same time, the moving average line in the CCI indicator has come above the 100 line, meaning this can be a good entry. Therefore, we will place a double entry here. Our trade has won here, but the market can still go down, so we will place another entry here. So the strategy is simple, and even new traders can use it easily. Just its practice is necessary, so that you can understand it in a better way. And if you want to earn profit with us, then you will find the link in the description.